So this is a quick video on lowering stabilizer rattle on any mechanical keyboard with cherry style stabilizers. So this is just an old keyboard I took out for reference. I already lubed the spacebar, so you can hear that there's almost no rattle. And here is a key that I did not lube yet. You can hear it rattles a lot. So what you need is permatex dielectric grease 81150. There's also another one that works, but the number is not the same because it's a different size. But just try to get this. You can find it on Amazon, very cheap. You can also use any applicator tool. I just chose a little interdental brush for teeth. So what you want to do is, I'm going to prop you down here. So what you want to do is apply some on the tip. So you just put the tip inside, like so. Comes out a bit of grease. Then you want to go to your keyboard. You see how you see the little metal wire under the stem? You want to go in there and apply the lube or the grease. Just put it in there. And you have to do both, and you have to do so on both sides. So, some grease. Once again, on the wire. This is only one layer of grease, so it won't have a huge effect, but we'll see. You can already hear that's much better. So if you still hear a little rattle, here's the second thing you have to do. This is for a bigger coat. You squeeze out a drop, you put it on the tip, and you use that drop to lube the stem once again and the wire. You do the same thing for the other stem. Let's hear it now. Depending on the age of the keyboard and the stabilizer quality, the results may vary, but sounds pretty good to me. Won't sound like any of those custom mechanical keyboards, but if you want to minimize rattle, like if you find it annoying, this is a good solution. It's very cheap. Unlubed, lubed. The spacebar is my favorite part. So spacebar, enter,